Welcome back. Let's do question 2.5. The graphs of the function f of x is equal to a cos b theta and g of x is equal to c tan theta for this domain are sketched below. The graphs intersect at P and Q. K lies on F such that KM is parallel to the y-axis. So KM is a vertical line. Calculate the length of KM. So we want to find the length of KM. So this is negative 45 degrees here. Okay. So we need to find the coordinates of K and then find the coordinates of M. And then using the Y coordinates, we can find the length of KM. Let's find the coordinates of what? K. So we now know the equation of f of x. F of x is equal to 3 cos theta, isn't it? We managed to find the value of a and b. A is 3, b is 1. And then for g of x also we managed to find c. We found that c is 1. So g of x is equal to tan theta. Right, let's find the coordinates of k. If x is negative 45 degrees, so f of x, which is equal to y, is equal to 3 cos negative 45 degrees. Okay, and then what do we get? We get that it is 3 root 2 over 2. Right, just like 3 times root over 2. Right, 3 times root 2 over 2, which is 3 root 2 over 2. So it means this is k, negative 45 degrees, and then 3 root 2 over 2. And then let's find the coordinates of m. So it's g of x, which is equal to y, is equal to tan negative 45 degrees. Okay, then what you get? You get negative 1. So it means m is negative 45 degrees, negative 1. What is the length of km? We can use the distance formula, but from k up to the x-axis, that is 3 root 2 over 2. And then from the x-axis to m, that is 1 unit. Because the coordinates of m here is negative 45, negative 1. Negative 1. So it means the distance here is 1 unit. Just ignore the sign. The distance will be 1 unit. From the x-axis to m is 1 unit. So what is km? We add. Therefore, km is equal to 3 root 2 over 2 plus 1. And then what is 3 root 2 over 2 plus 1? We must get that km is equal to 3,12 units. Okay.